Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix an unexpected error occurred. Please try again later on CashApp. There are several ways to resolve this issue. The most common issue arises from incorrect information entered at the time of payment. This could be an expired date of card with a wrong CVV number. If you experience this problem, it is recommended that you contact CashApp support. Their team can help you resolve your problem. If you continue to experience problem, you can contact the support team and get an instant solution. Okay guys, so if you are unable to sign in your account on Cash App, this issue could be your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection. For that you have to open settings, and after that you have to tap on Wi-Fi if you're using Wi-Fi. And after that guys, just simply you have to turn off the Wi-Fi and then turn it on again. Now go back and just simply you have to turn on aeroplane mode at least for the 60 seconds and then turn it off. And after that check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do is just simply have to make sure that you are using the latest version of the app. For that you have to open App Store, and after that you have to search for Cash App and make sure that you are using the latest version. And after that check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to make sure that your date and time is correct. Okay guys, just simply have to correct your date and time, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if once it's there guys, then what you need to do is just simply have to open any browser in your phone and just simply have to search for Cash App support. Now after that guys, what you need to do, just simply tap on first link. From here guys, you have to wait some seconds. Now guys, let me tell you that you have to contact with Cash App support from here. You can also chat with them or you can also call with them, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.